Last time you saved output into a file. But there's a catch nobody warns you about. That single arrow erases everything first. Run it twice, old text gone. Think of a grocery list. You don't rewrite the whole list to add one item. You write it at the bottom. The old items stay. That's exactly what we want. The fix is one more arrow. One greater than sign overwrites the file. Two greater than signs add to the bottom instead. The old lines are safe. Let's break it apart. Echo more prints more. That's the new line. The two greater than signs added to the bottom and note.txt keeps what it already had. So nothing gets erased. The file just grows. Why does this matter? Because losing work hurts. Two greater than signs build a file up safely. Old lines stay, new ones join. Try it right now. Open a terminal and type echo more two greater than signs note.txt. Then cat the file again. So that's adding to a file. Next up, copying file contents.